Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I will be showing you how to download Football Manager 2024 in your mobile. So now let's open up our Play Store. So just to let you know, not all the countries have already the Football Manager Mobile 2024, but as for me, we already have that. So just go ahead and type in Football Manager 2024 mobile and install it right away. So in case you don't have this in your Play Store, what you need to do is to download your Netflix if you don't have one. But if you have one, you just go ahead and open it, and then in your Netflix just go to the game sections at the bottom and then search for it or see on the recently released. So if it is also available in your Netflix, so just go ahead and click the get game and it will then take you to Play Store and you can now download it. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.